In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase download speed in Chrome on PC. So there are many different reasons why your internet speed or your download speed may be slowed down and slow in Chrome, and I'm going to show you how to fix these. So the first one may be just that you have a slow internet speed, okay? And in case that's the case, you may want to connect to another Wi-Fi or simply get a better Wi-Fi or go to a place where there's better internet. So a simple way of testing your internet speed is, as you can see over here, typing speed test into Google and go into this speedtest.net over here. You want to click on this and then just press go. And then this website will test your internet speed. Okay, as you can see, mine isn't the best. And yeah, you'll see you can alter different Wi-Fi's and try different internets, and then the one that has more megabytes per second, which is the download speed, which is what we're looking for right now, is the better. So you want to have as much of this as possible, but if you have like over 100 of this, you should be good, and that's very, very solid, okay, for most countries at least. So that's the first reason. You have to, again, get a better internet speed. Now, the second reason may be an outdated Chrome browser. So the way you fix this is simply by clicking those three dots up here in Chrome and going down here to where it says Settings. You want to click this, and here on the left, you want to go to the very bottom where it says About Chrome. And then, as you can see, for me, it says Chrome is up to date. But for you, it may say Chrome is updating in case it found a new update for your browser. So you simply wait for the update to be done. It usually takes a few seconds, it's very fast. And then once it's done, you will see a prompt to relaunch your Chrome. You want to simply click on it, and Chrome will relaunch for you, and then it will be up to date, and this may fix the issue. Then another reason why this may be happening is because you have too many tabs open and it's using too much of your computer resources, okay? So the way you do this is simply by, if you're using a mouse, you can just simply press in the wheel on your mouse over each and every tab, and the tab will close down just like this, as you can see. But if you're not using a mouse, you wanna simply right click and close, okay? You can also alternatively, if you have a lot of tabs open, click over here again, click on the very left tab. So let's say I want to click on the second one, right click and then close tabs to the right, which will close all the tabs to the right of this tab, okay? Now, the last thing we're going to talk about, the reason why your internet speed, download speed in Chrome may be slow, is because your other devices may be using bandwidth, okay? So let's say you're connected to a Wi-Fi, and there are many other devices in your house, in your home, that are also connected to Wi-Fi downloading something. You may want to pause those downloads or maybe shut down the TV in case it's running in the background somewhere, and this will kind of boost your download speed as well, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope this video helped you out.